The way that you do that, you guys, is you have a system that is producing consistent, repeatable, reliable deal flow, okay? The traditional way, of course, is banks, credit unions, DSCR loans, which we do offer here at our company. Debt service coverage ratio. DSCR loans are what I just closed on, almost $1 million of them last week on some of my portfolio properties. We offer these for you. They're simply tied to the rental income of the property. If you got a property that produces $2,500 a month in rent, that's $30,000 a year, that's $300,000. You can get a 70% loan on that $300,000 property, which means you could borrow on a $300,000 asset, you could borrow $210,000 just based on the rental income, regardless of your credit score, regardless of your employment, regardless of any of it, because you own the asset and it's producing rental income. You could use alternative lenders like hard money, which is great for flips, private lenders, which is us, that's Coco Capital. We can offer 100% financing if the deal makes sense and fits into our parameter. Now, a lot of you have told me, Lee, how come I didn't get 100% financing? Because you got the deal from the MLS. You're buying the deal from a wholesaler who jacked up the price and took out all of the upside equity. So now you got to bring cash to the closing table. Guys, the way that you get 100% financing on a deal is you go direct to the seller. You go direct to the owner. You go direct to the estate that inherited the property through probate. You go direct to the auction. You go direct to the lender who's foreclosing. That's what we teach in the system. That's what we're going to be focusing on for 2 whole days, is how you guys get in, you infiltrate, and you get these great deals before anybody else. Creative financing, seller financing. It's great for tired landlords on free and clear properties. Subject to, you take over the existing financing. It's powerful in a high rate market. Guys, we have deals that we've taken over subject to where we're paying 2.5% and 2.75% interest on deals we bought 6 months ago on mortgage loans that originated 3 years before that. Subject to, great deal. Lease options, partner capital, partnering with somebody who has cash. That means you bring in none of your own money. You get 50 to 75% of the upside, no out-of-pocket expense, none of the risk. We'll cover that in our acquisition strategy training. You can message to market, short-term, used for speed and flexibility. Long-term, focus on rates and term. Guys, we're going to help you build a balanced portfolio because finally, for the first time in your career as an investor, you're going to have consistent, steady, reliable, predictable income. And those are some of my favorite terms when I think about wealth creation. Reliable, predictable, stable. This is what you need. You can't have, I did a deal 3 months ago and I made 10 grand. I did a deal 3 years ago and I made 10 grand. How about we do a deal every single month that makes us 10 grand? The way that you do that, you guys, is you have a system that is producing consistent, repeatable, reliable deal flow, okay?